There's something special about food that not only fills our bellies, but also nourishes our bodies in ways we often overlook. Today, I want to talk about a little powerhouse in the legume family that deserves a spot in your daily diet. Channa, or chickpeas. If you haven't already made channa a staple in your meals, let me tell you why you might want to start doing so. Like, yesterday. First off, let's talk about protein. If you're someone who's trying to up your protein intake, especially if you're vegetarian or vegan, channa is your best friend. A single cup of cooked chickpeas packs about 15 grams of protein. That's a solid amount. It's not just about the quantity, though, it's about the quality. Chickpeas contain all 9 essential amino acids, which means they can help repair tissues, build muscle, and keep you feeling full longer. So, if you're looking to stay energized throughout the day, channa can be a game changer. Now, let's not forget about fiber. We all know fiber is important, right? It's like the unsung hero of our diet. Eating channa regularly can give you a significant boost in fiber intake. Just 1 cup has around 12 grams of fiber. This is fantastic for digestion. If you've ever dealt with bloating or irregularity, incorporating channa into your meals could help keep your digestive system running smoothly. Plus, fiber helps you feel full, which can be a lifesaver if you're trying to manage your weight. But wait, there's more! Chickpeas are also packed with vitamins and minerals. They're a great source of iron, magnesium, and zinc. Iron is crucial for transporting oxygen in our blood. Magnesium plays a role in muscle function and energy production, and zinc is vital for a healthy immune system. If you're feeling a little run down, or you've been getting sick more often than usual, it might be time to add some channa to your plate. And let's talk about heart health. Chickpeas are rich in heart-healthy nutrients and can help lower cholesterol levels. They contain soluble fiber, which binds to cholesterol in the digestive system and helps remove it from the body. This can reduce the risk of heart disease, which is something we all want to avoid, right? Plus, the potassium in chickpeas can help manage blood pressure. It's like a little hug for your heart. Now, if you're worried about how to incorporate channa into your meals, don't be. They're incredibly versatile. You can toss them into salads for a protein boost, blend them into hummus for a delicious dip, or even roast them for a crunchy snack. You can throw them into soups, stews, or curries, or simply sauté them with some spices and veggies for a quick and easy meal. The options are endless, and they're so easy to cook with. And here's a fun fact. Chickpeas have been around for thousands of years. They were one of the first cultivated legumes, and they've been a staple in diets around the world, from the Middle East to India. So, if you're looking to connect with something that has a rich history while also benefiting your health, channa is where it's at. In summary, eating channa every day can provide you with an incredible array of health benefits, from boosting your protein and fiber intake to supporting heart health and providing essential vitamins and minerals. These little legumes pack a serious punch. So why not give them a try? Your body will thank you, and your taste buds will too. So go ahead, grab a can or a bag of dried chickpeas and start experimenting with them in your meals. You might just find your new favorite food.